Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. In a prior episode in our continuing series covering the Idaho versus Kohberger case, we noted that the defense had filed a seventh motion to compel discovery, and with it, there was a document referenced as Exhibit A to the defense seventh motion to compel discovery, which the defense was seeking permission to file under seal. So that would have been whatever evidence the defense asserted it had requested from the state of Idaho. This had to do with the 22nd supplemental request for discovery. That information was located in Exhibit A to the seventh motion to compel. So now we see that Judge Stephen J. Hippler has entered an order regarding the defense's request to file Exhibit A to their seventh motion to compel discovery under seal, and that, of course, means that it would be kept from the public domain. What does this order say? This is filed March 7th, 2025, and that's the date you can find it on the docket. It is called Order Sealing Exhibit A to Defendant's Seventh Motion to Compel. So here we see that the court has granted this request to file yet another item concerning discovery under seal. And for background on why I am proffering an opinion that it's another, please review our prior episodes of the Indie Zone continuing series on the Idaho versus Kohberger case, and you will see that throughout the course of this case, that both sides, whether it is the state of Idaho responding to the defense's request for discovery, or it's the request themselves, what happens is the state or the defense will file a document. It'll be a response or a request for discovery. And then the crux of what is being asked for and what is being responded to is within a document under seal. So while the request and the responses themselves are public record, what is being requested and what is being responded to, the specific evidence, is under seal. So getting back to this order, it's Order Sealing Exhibit A to Defendant's seventh motion to compel. The court having before it the motion to seal Exhibit A to Defendant's seventh motion to compel, and good cause appearing now, therefore, it is hereby ordered Exhibit A to the defendant's seventh motion to compel shall be filed under seal pursuant to ICAR 32I and IC, Section 74-124, 1B and C. And this again, this seventh motion to compel has to do with the defense's 22nd supplemental request for discovery. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have not yet heard from the state of Idaho, at least not as of the 10th of March, 2025, which is the last time that the docket was updated in Idaho versus Kohberger. We await to see what the state responds and if the court will go ahead and grant a hearing on this matter, which is what the defense had also requested in their motion to compel. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone podcast. My name's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining us here today.